With the iOS 12 update, there have been a few changes made to the Photos app. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you the new features and updates to the iPhone Photos app in iOS 12. Now let's get started. One of the biggest changes is the new For You tab. This combines the old Memories and Shared tabs along with additional sections. The app can recognize faces, so at the top you'll see some albums that they recommend you share with the person in those photos. Tap an album to share it. Then tap Next. If the app detects one of your contacts in those photos, they'll automatically be added to the list of people to share the photos with. Tap Add People to add another contact. Tap Share in Messages at the bottom to send your selected contacts a link to download those photos. The next section is Memories. Here you'll see photo memories the app thinks you might want to look at, such as holidays, seasons, trips, and more. Tap a memory to see all the photos contained in that album. Last in this section are Featured Photos, a seemingly random selection of photos the app has decided to feature. Another great update is the Search feature. Search existed previously, but in iOS 12 the search function is much more accurate and powerful. Type in something you're trying to find a photo of. For example, if I type in cat, all the photos I've taken of my cat will come up. You can also search by the location or date a photo was taken. In the Search tab, you can also tap one of the faces in the People section to search for photos with that person in them. In the Albums tab, you can scroll horizontally to see all the albums you've created in the top section. Scroll down to see albums of photos containing specific people or photos taken in certain locations. At the bottom of this tab, you'll see a menu that lists images by media type. This makes it easy to just look through your videos, selfies, screenshots, and more. That does it for this video about the updates made to the Photos app in iOS 12. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.